Yeah, I beat Napier for the 5-star title, holding it in my hand. Okay, bye. Oh.
He's out. Oh, Chris Matthews. Young, dumb Chris Matthews. Well, looks like the champion won't be the champion at Super Kick 1. Oh. Look at him. Look at him. Well, I'll see you at Super Kick 1 when I'm crowned the new TWL champion. Chris? Are you okay? Christopher? What happened? Chris? Are you okay? Christopher, wake up! What happened?
I don't know. My head hurts.
It appears you have been knocked out and your title belt has been maybe spit on. Oh, what? Oh, don't fall. We'll have to get you to a medical facility. There will be an update on his health before the Super Kick. I'll be right back. See you soon.